So children, for class 8, today's topic is square and square root. So at first we'll start with square. If a is multiplied to a, it is called square of a. Similarly, if 2 is multiplied to 2, it is called square of 2. This 2 square can be also read as 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2. You have to keep in mind that square of even number is always even. Square of odd number is always odd, and if a square of negative integer is done, its result is always positive. So minus 5 square is equal to 5 square positively, and answer is 5 square, that is equal to 25. Keep in mind, square of every number, whether it is positive or negative, it is always positive. Now we'll come to square root. Square root of a number a, if a number is a square, it is to be calculated. So we have to find out it is product of which two same numbers. For example, 16 can be written as 4 into 4. So it is product of 4 into 4, that is 4 square. So if you have to find out square root of 16, so it will come out as root over 4 square, that is equal to 4. Square root sign is this one, root over. Now first example we are dealing with. First question is to check a number is perfect square or not. So already you know that in a perfect square number, all prime factors are in pair. So what we'll do? We'll do prime factorization of 196. So 196 there, its prime factorization is done. So after prime factorization in this manner, we found that 196 is equal to 2 into 2 into 727. So 2 is in pair and 7 is in pair. Since both prime factors are in pair, so 196 can be said as a perfect square. Now we'll come to example number 2. Example number 2 is to find out the square root of a perfect square number. Number given will be a perfect square. So let the number given is 576. As I have explained earlier, same way 576 prime factorization is done. You will find that it is coming out as 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 3 square. So second step what we will do? We will put this 576 under root. So root over 576 is written. So its prime factors will be also coming under root. So it is 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 3 square. And out of each square, 1 2, 1 2, 1 2, 1 3 will come out, and result will be 24. So square root of 576 is 24. Now I'll come to third question, third example. Here question says, find the smallest number by which 10368 be divided so that the result is a perfect square. It is clear that it is not a perfect square. Something is not in pair. Out of its prime factor, something is not in pair. When 10368 prime factorization is done like this, we found that 10368 can be represented as 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 3 square into 3 square into 2. This 2 is not in pair. Because of presence of this single 2, it is not a perfect square. To make it a perfect square, what we will do? This 10368 will be divided by 2. So line will be written as 10368 should be divided by 2 to make it a perfect square. Now we'll come to fourth example. Here you have to evaluate. It is written root over 25 by 32 into 213 by 18 into 0.25. So at first 25 we will write as 5 into 5. This 32 will write as 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. It is 18 to the 36 plus 13, 49 by 18. And 0.25 we have removed the decimal, it has become 25 by 100. So it is 5 square. 49 can be written as 7 square. This 25 can be written as 5 square. It is 1 2 pair, second 2 pair. This 2 is copied. 18 can be written as 2 3 6 3 18, and 100 can be written as 2 2 4 into 5 into 5. In continuation, we got result as 5 square into 7 square into 5 square, and as the position of denominator 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 3 square into 2 square into 5 square. This 5 square is cancelling this 5 square. So result is 5 square into 7 square, 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 3 square into 2 square. Out of each square will take a number. So 5 square will give 5, 7 square will give 7, 2 square will give 2. Similarly, so result will come out as 35 by 28. Now we'll come to example number 5. We have to find out square root of root over 248 plus root over 52 plus root over 144. So at first 144 will be represented as 12 square. From this 12 square, this 12 will come out. So 52 and 12 will be added together. 52 and 12 will give you 64. Root over 64 can be written as 8 square. So this 248 plus 8 square, which is equal to 60, 8 square, 8 will come out as 56, and result is 16 square, and final result is 16. Now I'll come to example number 6. It is written, if say root over 784 can be represented as 28. So taking help of this, you have to find out result this one. Root over 7.84 plus 784 100 root, and second one root over 0.0784 plus root over 0.00784. We will start with first question. It is 7.84 plus root over 78400. This 7.84 can be represented as 784 by 100, and this 78400 can be written as this much. So this 784 will give you 28, and 100 will give you 10. This will give you 28, and this 100 will give you 10. So it has become 2.8, and it is 280. 280 plus 2.8 will give you 282.8. Now we'll come to second part. Root over 0.0784 plus 0.000784. We will remove the decimal, so it will become 784 by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 with 4 zeros. It will be written as 784 with how many zeros? 6 zeros. So this much. This will give you 28 square. This will give you 100 square. This will give you 28 square. This will give you 1000 square. So final result is 28 by 100, 28 by 1000. It is 0.28. It is 0.028. So result is, after adding 0.28 to 0.28 like this, we'll get the result at 0.308.